This video, we're going to plot or graph a linear equation by finding and plotting its intercepts. It's most convenient for us to use this method when we have our equation written as ax plus by equals c, like that, with all of the x's and y's on one side and all of the constants on the other. If it's not written that way, we might try and write it that way before we get started. The reason it's convenient to do that is to find the x-intercept. We're going to let the y part be 0, so we're just going to cover that part up, and we're going to see that x equals -7. There's my x-intercept. Then I'm going to cover up my x part, and negative y is equal to -7, so I divide by -1, and I get that y is equal to 7. Right, and then we're just going to connect the dots here. Again, use a straight edge if you can, like so. Right, this is not yet written the way that I want it to be, but we're going to write it as x plus 5y is equal to 0. We're going to cover up the y part, and x is equal to 0. We're going to cover up the x part, and y is equal to 0. So it's going to go through 0, 0, which is not super helpful to me because I need 2 points to determine a line. So I'm going to need to find an additional point, even though it's not an intercept. See this part that says if only one intercept exists, use it in another point to draw the line. So I'm going to let y be 1 and solve from the original form, and x is -5. So -5, 1 is an additional point. We'll just use that to graph my line. Okay. Now I have when y is 0, x is -6. And when x is 0, y is 3. There's my line. This one, when y is 0, x is 4. And when x is 0, y is -2. Right? This is going to be another one that has a 0, 0. And I'm going to need to plot an additional point. So when x is 1, y is 5. Like that. We've got just a few more here. Now, this one is solved for y already. So I'm going to move the x over to the other side. When y is 0, x is -4. When x is 0, y is 12. This will be another one that goes through 0, 0. So let y be 1 and x is 2, 2, 1. When y is 0, x is 4. When x is 0, y is 1. And that's going to be it. We'll come back next time and we'll use slope intercept form to graph. See you for the next video.